What's up everybody, my name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today's Friday, October 10th. In today's dog video, we're going to be talking about the market capitulation that's just happened within the past hour. Now, Bitcoin has dropped drastically from $121,000 to $116,000 US. So what do you think is going to happen to altcoins, especially meme coins like dog? Well, they're going to capitulate even harder. Now, what is this all about? Why did this capitulation happen? And what can we expect for dog coming back from this capitulation? Could we expect it to happen over the weekend? Maybe the top of next week? Well, we're going to talk about that in the charting analysis. But in other good news, I want to share with you that Gemini is going to be making a dog video. Yes, none other than Austin Oaks is going to be making a dog video. We're going to be talking about that. So let's cover it in this video. So let's go ahead and smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join us on X, and please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I'll never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email. So please be careful and invest safely. Guys and girls, let's get right into it. Okay, let's look at dog. Dog is down 6% over the past 24 hours. There's a reason why this drastically dropped from around 210 to $190 million. Now, it's all due to one thing, which is Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, like we said, dropped drastically, down 3.9%. That's almost close to 4%, down 5% over the past 7 days. I mean, look at Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest altcoin in the whole market, and it's down 11% in the past 7 days, down almost close to 8% over the past 24 hours. Look at Bitcoin just over the past day. This is a huge dip. Now, what's really interesting is that yesterday I saw this post. Now, this is from MLMABC. They said that the Bitcoin whale deposited 800 million USDC to Hyperliquid to short Bitcoin. And that roughly was around 3,500 Bitcoin together. And in USD value, that total was $420 million. And they shorted Bitcoin yesterday. And people were wondering, why are they shorting Bitcoin? What do they know is about to happen? Well, check this out. This is the news that came out today. So President Trump apparently made a huge announcement today that he threatens to make massive increase of tariffs on Chinese products coming into the United States. Now, you can consider this maybe a black swan event, but honestly, we've seen many of these different type of black swan events, quote unquote, happen before. If it's not tariffs, maybe it's war. But nonetheless, we saw over $770 million in liquidations just because of this announcement. That just happened right now. So with 770 million long liquidations, these are the long traders that are very bullish on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, seeing that was going to go up, they all got liquidated, and the shorts ended up winning in that battle. Now, what's really strange is that if you pay attention to the Bitcoin monthly returns, and I was trying to go on CoinGlass for this data that you're seeing right here, but I couldn't find it because CoinGlass is actually down right now. So that's really strange to me that CoinGlass, that has all the liquidation numbers, is down, but luckily I found CryptoRank.io. And as you can see, the month of October is actually down. It's not even in 5%, it's actually 2%. As we know, historically, with October, we tend to see very green months, as you can see right here. That's historically what we see in Bitcoin's price, yet we saw this massive dip. So what is my conclusion after all this? Guys and girls, manipulation. There's no way people are not bullish around Bitcoin. They're not bullish around where cryptocurrency is going. This is all just manipulation to shake out all the long leverage traders that were greedy, make sure they get wiped out and they can't buy back in their positions. Because they knew that everybody was very bullish in October, so this is a way to just kind of wipe them out before the next leg up. If it's not October, what about November? November could be a very bullish month because, again, Q4 typically is a very bullish month for any crypto cycle. But behind the scenes, regardless of what you're seeing with the whole liquidations going on, you still see spot Bitcoin ETFs surpassing $1 billion in trading volume. That's just as of today. So while there's that battle going on, there's also this happening at the same time. So what's really going on? So you must be wondering, how did this affect meme coins? Well, meme coins are going to get affected quite hardly. Look at this. If you look at Pudgy Penguins, down 7%, SPX 6900 down 5%, you have Fartcoin down 6%, you have Toshi down 13%, you have Useless Coin down 15%, Turbo down 10%, Mogcoin down 9%. Let's go ahead and go all the way down to Bitcoin down 7%. So yeah, everything is going to get hit hard, especially meme coins. This isn't just dog. If there's anything I could share with you, most sharks and professional traders out there are buying when everything is in red. And you must be wondering, where did they get liquidity? Well, they get the liquidity by selling when things are pumping. So when you're seeing everything in the red, this is when they're actually buying. So if you're looking at dog Bitcoin, and this is a time that you're thinking, should I buy or should I not? This is, if anything, the best time to be buying dog Bitcoin. Because when there's markets like this, market volatility and also market dips, these opportunities are very rare. So right now, beneath 200 million market cap for the number one Bitcoin meme coin that makes up less than 0.01% of Bitcoin's market cap, when it should be 1%, just like Shiba Inu on Ethereum, just like Bonk over on Solana, this will explode at some certain point, and they're trying to shake everybody out, especially you. Okay, let's talk about Gemini. As yesterday, Austin Oaks posted, whatever project gets the most likes in the comments, I'll make a video like this for them, which is him going on the street with a billboard with the logo of a cryptocurrency and asking people, do you actually know what this is? And he'll give them $10 if they guess it right. And I said down below, dog will be your next Gemini video, Austin Oaks, watch this. And sure enough, we had 17,000 impressions, but most importantly, 406 likes. That's amazing from the dog army. And Austin Oaks, as of today, said, I think I know my next video. So that confirms it. If you want to know if Gemini is going to be making another dog video, Austin Oaks has confirmed that they will be making another TikTok video for dog. If you're not bullish on dog on Gemini, then I don't know what to tell you. Speaking of which, I want to give a shout out to Dan from Crypto Capital Ventures. He just changed his PFP to a dog. And it was this. He says if this post gets 3,000 likes, 1,500 reposts, and 500 comments, he'll change his PFP to dog for 1 week. And as you can see, not only did we surpass it, but we definitely met all of those thresholds. So congratulations to everybody, and also congratulations to Dan for changing his PFP to dog. Now let's go into charting analysis. Now this is what we're looking at. Now what's really strange is that regardless of what this capitulation looks like, there's still a buy signal, which is kind of crazy. I feel like at this point there should be a sell signal at some point, but the buy signal is still intact with a super trend. But as I'm looking at the overall market, everything is down massively. Every meme coin is down. But let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is still kind of rising, meaning it's still kind of going up. And I actually do expect that Bitcoin dominance is going to continue to rise, even up until November. So even after November, when Bitcoin rises and possibly tops, we could see altcoin season happen right after that. But again, some people think that November may be the top for everything, and then we're going to go into another 4-year bear market, or roughly 3.5-year bear market. So we'll see how that goes. But I just want to keep everybody up to date on what's going on with dog and why it's experiencing this price movement due to Bitcoin's volatility to the downside due to this news of the tariffs announced by Donald Trump. So with that said, I hope that this video update has been very helpful for you to understand what's been going on in the whole macro landscape of not just crypto, but also the stock market. The stock market has actually taken a massive dip today as well. The whole financial sector has taken a massive dip. So this isn't just you, dog army, don't worry. But the good news is Gemini is going to be making another dog video. So I hope that you enjoy your weekend that's coming up. And I know that you're going to probably experience the charts going up and down, but don't worry. If you just remove your emotions and you just focus on data and you just don't get moved or even affected by any of these negativities with the price going down, then you're going to make it. This is just one of those moments where people just try to shake you out of your positions just so that you're fearful and sell all your assets back into US dollar, which the US dollar is still going down as well. And even gold, by the way, is going down as well. They just want you to sell into US dollars. And you know that US dollars are completely crap. Like, it's all about Bitcoin and also dog Bitcoin in this cycle. So do not fade what's happening right now. This is all still in line for a bull market coming up in Q4 of 2025 and possibly even Q1 of 2026, because everything's looking like that could possibly happen. So as always, I'm always bullish on dog, but make sure to smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join us on X to receive all of our alpha calls and updates regarding Dog on the Moon. Till then, see you guys girls next time.